Hi everybody. It has been a while since I have jumped on here to record anything. I have just been very busy this summer. Things that I was not expecting came up, like my dad dying, and I had to travel, and then I came back and was just working extra shifts, and things have kind of settled down a little bit. I have been working, just so you know, a little sneak peek on finishing this journal here, and it's getting pretty chunky monkey. And I will be posting a video soon on that journal, and it will be going into my Etsy shop. But I wanted to post today just and inform you guys that there is a sale going on at Hobby Lobby right now on a lot of Tim Holtz supplies and some other craft supplies. And I just wanted to share with you what I got. I am not sponsored by Hobby Lobby or any other store or any other product, just so you know. I'm just doing this because I like to share what's going on so that you guys can go out and hopefully get a good bargain as well. If that's what you like to do, if you like to go find good deals. So let's just get started. I'll share with you what I found today. This is today. It is August 28th today, and so all the stuff I found today. Anyways, so these are fine line pens, and normally they are $10.99. I got them for $2.74. And I just got those. They're different sizes. I like to use those when I do art and sometimes with writing. They just have a lot of good uses. So I thought that was a really good deal. So I grabbed those. Oh, I don't know why these are in here. I must have thrown those in there. Okay. Threw a few things in here that I shouldn't have. I was cleaning up my art room and I must have thrown a few things in there that was on my desk and I didn't realize it. Okay, so then they had alcohol inks, the Tim Holtz ones on sale. Again, $10.99 normally. I think it's 75% off, so it ended up being $2.74 for 3 bottles. A very good price. I have kind of been dabbling a little bit with alcohol inks. I'm not an expert at all, but I've been wanting to learn more. And I got some, just off-brand ones because these ones tend to be a little bit more pricey. So I was so excited when I saw these on sale. I thought, oh, I'm going to grab some now. So I got those ones. That's a pack of 3. And then I got these gel pens. Normally $12.99, only $3.24, which I thought was a good deal. And let's get more alcohol ink. They had a lot of inks on sale. I mainly went there, I thought, because I saw another girl online that had gotten a bunch of the distress inks. So some of the Hobby Lobbies have the Tim Holtz distress inks. Now, when I went to my Hobby Lobby and the Distress Oxide, which are these, when I went to my Hobby Lobby, they were pretty much cleaned out except for just a couple rows, and those couple rows were not on sale. So I'm thinking that people just got there before I did. So you might want to go as soon as possible if you want to try to get some of those. Here's some more alcohol inks I got. So I'm excited to try these. They look like good colors. And then I got some archival inks for $1.74, which is really good. Archival ink is very good ink. So I was happy for that. And I got 4 different colors. I got mulberry, orange blossom, fern green, and watering can, which is kind of a grayish color, which I thought, wow, okay. Oh, more alcohol ink. And all of these are different colors, so I did not grab 2 of anything. I just got 1 of each colors that they had on sale. So I got 3 packs. So that is an awesome find. And then I got these ink pads. This is a dark purple. I have no idea if this is a good ink pad or not. I've never tried them. It's Paper Crafts, so I've never tried this brand of ink. But I thought for $1.24, I can try it, see how it does. And I got, let me see. I got 2 of those ones at $1.24, so a purple one and a blue one. It's baby blue and dark purple. Normally $5, so that was a good deal. And then I got the same brand. It looks like it's a little bit different packaging, but this one was only 49 cents. And normally $1.99, so maybe not as big. I don't know what the difference. It's the same brand, but ink pad dye, ink pad pigment. So obviously they're a little different. Let me see what the difference is. Doesn't clean stamp with water or stamp cleaner. Okay, so this one looks like it's water soluble because it says to clean it with water or a stamp cleaner. But this one says the same thing, so they're both water soluble. So I don't know what the big difference is, especially since they're the same, except for one says dye and one says pigment. So I don't know that much about the difference in different inks. Forgive me for that. And then I found these Mixatives, which you can mix into the alcohol inks to make different designs, I believe. Again, I'm new to alcohol ink, so I'm not sure exactly what all I can do with that, but I'm gonna find out. So I grabbed one of those, and that was $2.37, originally $9.49. And then I got some foundry wax that I've been wanting. I've never tried these, but I've seen Tim Holtz do a lot of different tutorials on using foundry wax. You know, he uses them on his little bunnies and different things you can do with them. So I did want to try them, so I grabbed these. They were each $2.37, originally $9.49. Okay. Then I grabbed these. They're ornaments, adornment ornaments. So flourishes, but they're the thicker metal ones. You can use these on the fronts of your journals to add flourishes if you want, or if you are more into making like art pieces, these would come in handy. So they're normally $8, and I got them for $1.99 each. Then, let's see, oh, and I got these. They're quotes, normally $6, and I got them for $1.49. Let me see, I'm just trying to take this off. They're called quote seals, and they're the Tim Holtz ones. So this one says, "For I am the dreamer, life is the dream. Life itself is not the most wonderful, is the most wonderful story." Sorry. Life itself is the most wonderful story. Ideas are the lost plus found of the artist, and the future belongs to the curious. So I was happy to find those, only $1.49, normally $6, I believe is what the tag said. And then I found these stamps. They're just clear stamps, normally $5.49 each, and I got them for $1.37 each. And they're the background stamps, you know, so they, for like an A2, I believe, card, you could stamp the whole back of the card if that's what you're making or whatever. You can do whatever you want with them. So, and I thought those were kind of cute designs, so I grabbed those. And then these were in the fall section and they were 40% off. So 40% off of those prices. I grabbed these mainly because, like I showed you that journal, and they are fall stuff. So, and I thought these two would be cute. They just say fall party confetti, but I thought these would be cute to use in, like, if you do a shaker card, you know. And these are just puffy leaf stickers that are glittery. So I just grabbed both of those just to add to my fall crafting. So anyways, that's it for today. I did want to also tell you guys though that, here first, I'll just put these all in the center here so you can see what all I got today. It was a pretty good haul, and I think I didn't even spend $50, so I got quite a bit. There you go. But I wanted to also announce to you guys that I will be posting in my Etsy shop soon a Alice in Wonderland journal kit that I have been working on for quite a while. It's a digital kit, and it is the vintage Alice in Wonderland that I put color to myself digitally. So I hope you guys like it. I've been working on it for a while, and I'm excited to show it to you guys. So be looking for that video, and be looking for the video. Oh, I left these out of the picture. I also got the pins. And be looking for the video where I show you the fall journal that I've been working on. I will go through it, do a flip through, and post it in my Etsy shop. I hope you guys are all doing wonderful, and you guys all have a great day. See you later. Bye.